You're watching BTEKT and this video is sponsored by Xiaomi.
So 2020 has been a challenging year. It's been challenging for everyone on the planet, but even for us here at BTEKT. You've probably noticed there haven't been videos for, I don't know, a week or maybe a bit more now. One of the team has gone down with COVID, so we've had to change absolutely everything. And we're going to do an unboxing for you now to hopefully cheer ourselves up, because we do need a bit of good news. But it's an unboxing not with these hands, but with some much better hands, because we can't all go into the studio at the same time. So my good friend Shane, show us your hands. Nice one. He's going to show me and you what we've got in our mystery Black Friday box. Let's get into it right now. Oh, and by the way, before we do like and subscribe, and actually whatever is in this box, I already know from Shane that he loves it, and we're going to do a proper review of whatever's in there. You already know what's in there because it's going to be in the title, of course. It's just me that doesn't know, but let's find out. Okay, so inside this box is, would you believe it, another box. Lovely jubbly. And the second box, okay, so we know what we're dealing with here now. It is the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. This is a proper flagship. And okay, anyone can tell you that. And how do we know? Well, it's got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. So I mean, this is a 5G powerhouse. This is the real deal. I'm looking forward to getting into this and giving you a proper review on this device. It looks the business, and I have to say, we've lucked out here when it comes to the color. Normally, we end up getting rubbish colors when we get, these boxes come through and we don't know what's inside them, and it's always like, it seems to me like it's always the toughest colors, to film with the black and everything. This is a beautiful blue color. It looks the business, especially under the lights here. So just while we're unboxing this and giving you a proper tour of the phone and showing off how good it looks, I want to just give you the heads up on some of the key features here, at least the top 5 as far as I'm concerned. It's the camera tech, of course, is the logical starting place. 108 megapixels AI camera with optical image stabilization. We've got the ultra wide and the macro lenses here. And I have to say, as far as camera bumps go, this is about the biggest I've ever seen. It's really huge. But what I will also say is I think the camera bump is pretty attractive. I mean, it doesn't look like a normal, everyday run-of-the-mill camera bump here. I quite like the attention to detail here. It looks cool. What else are we dealing with here? Well, massive battery. I love that. 5,000 milliamps. This is a real deal, actually. And what else have we got here? 33 watts fast charge. Very nice to have. Sometimes you get, that's really nice to have. Sometimes you get a big battery, sometimes you get fast charge, to varying degrees. This is both, and it's the real deal. The display, Shane has told me, looks absolutely superb. What is it? It's a 6.67 inch full HD display, true color, DotDisplay, adaptive sync, lots of buzzwords in there. Bottom line, looks fantastic. I always like showing off the videos here from Visual Don. I'm going to put a link to his stuff in the description below. Just very cool videos. He's a cool dude. Right, what else have we got? Never say cool dude. Yeah, we'll have to delete that. There is one thing I do want to say. The pictures we've taken on this are extremely good. Here's a tiny little sample for you to show you what we're dealing with here. I'm excited about the full review. Actually, even in terms of video, this is so good. Actually, it's given me an idea. We could shoot these videos that we're doing now on this phone. It's that good. In fact, I'm going to talk to Xiaomi about that. I should probably stop recording and call them, because this is actually pretty exciting. So yes, the display looks cool. We've got the battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon. This is a proper flagship. Yeah, I'm excited for this one. It's been a rubbish year, 2020, but every now and then something good happens. This is something good. We're going to give you a full review on this phone. Stay tuned. Make sure you're subbed. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Xiaomi for sponsoring this video and for sending us this phone. You've made my Black Friday better. And I hope everyone watching this has enjoyed it. Thank you.